One of the bisectors of the angle between the lines a x minus 1 whole square plus 2h x minus 1 into y minus 2, a x minus 1 whole square plus 2h x minus 1 into y minus 2 plus b y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0 is x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. Then the other bisector is, and your options are, the first option is 2x minus y equal to 0, second is 2x minus y plus 5 equal to 0, third is 2x minus y minus 7 equal to 0, fourth is 4x minus 2y plus 9 equal to 0. Student, one of the bisector is given and you have to find out the other bisector, and you know that the angle bisector between the angles of two lines are perpendicular to each other. So this x plus 2y minus 5 and the other bisector should be perpendicular. So by using the family of lines, the second bisector should be, this is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Then the second bisector will be bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. So using that formula, the second bisector will be 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. So first of all, we'll check out of these four options which one is in the form of 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Let us check. The first 2x minus y equal to 0. Oh, it is in the form of 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Let us check for the second. Oh my god, the second one is also 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Wow, the third is also. See, fourth is also 2x minus y plus 9 upon 2 equal to 0. It means, a student, we can't guess any option. So we have to solve the question and then we will check which one is the correct answer, because every options are written in the form of 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. So all the best. Now see, given pair of lines is a x minus 1 whole square plus 2h x minus 1 y minus 2 plus b y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Suppose, a student, I am taking here the x minus 1 is equal to x and y minus 2 is equal to y. So therefore, given equation becomes a x square plus 2h xy plus b y square is equal to 0. Now this is a homogeneous equation of second degree. So this will represent a pair of a straight line passing through the origin where this x will be equal to 0 and this y will be equal to 0. It means this equation will represent a pair of a straight line passing through the point. Now, so this line passing through the point 0, 0, that is x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So this line will pass through the point x minus 1 equal to 0 and y minus 2 equal to 0. That is x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now see, one of the line is given here, x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. You can check that 1 comma 2 satisfying this line. See, in place of x if you put 1, in place of y if you put 2, it becomes 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Hence, we can write here, since both lines, which is the angle bisectors, are perpendicular to each other, so equation of second angle bisector, since both angle bisectors are perpendicular to each other and passing through the point 1 comma 2. So the equation of second angle bisector is, because here one of the bisector is already x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0, and the bisectors are passing through the point 1 comma 2. So using the family of lines, equation of the second bisector will be 2x minus x1 minus y minus y1 is equal to 0. And hence, when you simplify, you will get here 2x minus y equal to 0. This is the correct option. This is your answer, and hence by using the given options, you can see the first option 2x minus y equal to 0 is the correct option. So you can write here, so correct option is the first option. Now student, I am taking another question. So student, the question is, if the lines represented by x square minus 2pxy minus y square is equal to 0 are rotated through an angle theta, one in clockwise direction and other in anti-clockwise direction, then the equation of the bisectors of the angle between the lines in the new position is, and your options are, the first option is px square plus 2xy minus py square equal to 0, px square plus 2xy plus py square equal to 0, x square minus 2pxy plus y square is equal to 0, and the fourth option is none of these. Student, see here, you have to find out the equation of the bisectors of the angle between the lines. This equation, these two lines are rotating through an angle theta, one in clockwise direction, one in anti-clockwise direction, but still these two are a pair of straight lines. So the bisector of the angle between those two lines in the new position should be perpendicular to each other. So here also student will see in the option which pair of a straight line will represent a perpendicular pair of a straight line, so that will be our correct option. You can see in the second option px square plus 2xy plus py square equal to 0. In this equation, the lines are not perpendicular, because for the perpendicular lines the condition is a plus b equal to 0, but here you can see p plus p is not equal to 0. In the third option, here also you can see the one plus 1 not equal to 0. It means these two are not the options. So now we will check for the first. See here, A plus B, that is P plus minus P. This will give you 0. It means this could be our option. But student, here also we can't guess. Reason is fourth option, none of these. Because maybe sometime it will be something else. In place of 2, it may be 3, it may be 1, it may be anything. So, here also you have to check, you have to solve the question. But still, now we have, if we guess, then we have a 50-50 chance, either first or fourth, because the second and third cannot be possible. So now I am solving the question. Student, I am drawing here figure. Now student, you can see in this figure, this is the pair of a straight line. Now this line is moving in clockwise direction and this line is moving in anti-clockwise direction. So you can see, student, if the angle bisector of these two lines is what? That line, that bisector will equally inclined with these two lines, right? Now if suppose the angle between these two is alpha, then that line will subtends angle alpha by 2 and alpha by 2 with these two lines. Now in the new situation, the angle bisector of these two dotted lines will also make the same angle. See, alpha by 2 plus theta with this line and alpha by 2 plus theta with this line. It means the equation of the bisectors will be same in the new situation also. And if this line is moving theta in clockwise and this line is moving theta in anti-clockwise, then also the bisector will be same. It means there is no effect of moving the lines, one is clockwise and one is anti-clockwise, on the angle bisectors. So equation of angle bisectors will be same as original. In the new situation also and old situation also, in those two situations the equation will be same. Here the given line is, pair of line is x square minus 2pxy minus y square equal to 0. So equation of angle bisectors is, using the formula, it will be x square minus y square upon a minus b is equal to xy upon h. This is the formula. So now we'll substitute here the value of a, b and h. A is 1, b is -1, xy, h is minus p. So it becomes, after cross multiplication, it becomes minus px square minus, after doing cross multiplication, it becomes px square minus py square is equal to minus 2xy. So now we'll bring this minus 2xy on the left side and it becomes plus 2xy. So it is px square plus 2xy minus py square is equal to 0. Hence, now using the given condition, now we'll see whether this is written in the option or not. Oh, yes, it is given. In the first option, see, it is px square plus 2xy minus py square is equal to 0. So, the correct option is the option number 1. I hope, student, you understand these two questions. For the next time, for the next session, I will come again with some new questions. Thank you and goodbye.